And we are at Mochinut in Kissimmee, and we are going to try out these viral donuts. Let's go on and check it out. Let's go on in. Whoop. Oh, they have rice dogs.
Hi, welcome.
Hello. And boba teas. And there is cheese. Oh man. Nutella. And churro. Which one will we choose? Super cute. So ube is potato. We learned that today. Let's go check out what we got. Here they are. We decided on the cookies and cream, the Nutella, and the Scooby biscuit churro. More than just a donut. Always near you. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm gonna just take. Ooh.
Why wouldn't you just bite it?
Alright, let's bite it. First time eating.
Now that you've ruined my donut.
No, we'll just do this.
Oh Lord.
Mochi. First one. Ooh, that's weird. The texture, it's chewy. I love the texture.
It's inside?
No, it's topped with Nutella. I love that texture. It's like I can't even explain it. I guess like a warm mochi that you would eat. Really good.
And now for the cinnamon, with
with the Scooby snack on top.
Scooby snack on
Ruff,
top
ruff.
of it.
All right. Oh.
It's chewy and good.
That is weird. I love it.
Same taste as the Nutella one. Better, worse. Very noisy here.
I love the texture, and I think I like the churro taste better. The cinnamon and the sugar, really good. Guys, come and check it out if you're in Kissimmee. Mochinut for donut.